Hello everyone. Today we are going to start the fourth chapter, Kinds of Nouns. What do you mean by nouns? Nouns are the naming words. See here, nouns are the naming words. They are used to name people, places, animals and things. Nouns are naming words. They are used to name place, animal, places and things. So here there are four types of nouns: proper noun, common noun, collective nouns and abstract noun. What do you mean by proper noun? The names of people, places, animal and things in general are called as common nouns. See here, the names of the people, places, animals and things are in general are called common nouns. For example, girl, bird, school, gate. Okay, as you can say boy. Then you can say your keys, that's a thing. Then common noun you can say as chair, that is also. Then you can take box. These are your common nouns. Now the name of a particular person, animal, place or thing is called as a proper noun. Now what do you mean by proper noun? The name of a particular person, place, animal or thing is called as a proper noun. Proper noun always begin with a capital letter. For example, Pizza, Fluffy, Delhi, Taj Mahal, Indian Ocean, New Delhi, then Australia, Asia. You can say some of your friends' name: Rahul, Samina, Ravina. These are your proper nouns. Now, what do you mean by abstract nouns? Words that describe ideas and feelings that cannot be perceived by our five senses are called as abstract nouns. That means over here it is telling words that describe ideas, some ideas which you get, of feelings, your inner feelings, that cannot be perceived, that cannot be felt by our five senses are called as abstract nouns. For example, beauty, truth, sadness, danger. Okay, as well as you can say it is said your truth we said. Then some more you can think about it: love, bravery, wisdom. Okay, so these are your abstract nouns. Now what do you mean by collective nouns? Words that refer to people, places, animals and things as a unit, as a group are called as collective nouns. See here, words that refer to people, places, animals and things as a unit or as a group are called as collective nouns. For example, a band of musicians, a brood of chicken, a flight of stairs, as well as what you can say, audience. Okay, these are also collective nouns. A herd. Then you can say a troop of actors, a litter of cubs, pod of whales, team of athletes, string of pearls, deck of cards. This way. Okay, my dear children. Now read these set of words. What are they? Over here, by adding the suffixes such as NESS, ITY, ILITY, HOOD, TION, ATION, DOM, MENT, ENCE, ANCE, TH, SHIP, IST and SION to some verbs and adjectives, we can form abstract nouns. Now, by adding these words, that are these suffixes, suffixes means after those words, the word which is given to you, After that word, you can add these words to make abstract nouns. So here see the read it. Happy, happiness. Add, addition. Important, importance. Child, childhood. Exist, existence. Elite, elitist. Classify, classification. Possible, possibility. Enjoy, enjoyment. Friend, friendship. Free, freedom. Deep, depth. Divert, diversion. Just see over there, for happy, Y is removed, INESS is added. Here for addition, TION. Important, importance they have made, ANCE. Child, HOOD, hood they have added. Existence, ENCE. Elite, elitist. So E is removed, IST is added. Classify, classification, Y is removed. Over there it is used ICATION. Possible, possibility. E is removed over there and then they have written ILITY. Enjoy, enjoyment, MENT. Friend, friendship, SHIP is added. Free, freedom, OM is added. Deep, depth, TH is added. Divert, diversion, SION is added. So here are the verbs, to some verbs they have added, okay, to make abstract nouns. Okay, my dear children, so go through this. You can make that sick, sickness, dry, dryness, direct, direction, promote, promotion, create, creation, dark, darkness, omit, omission, use, usability, jealous, jealousness, sweet, sweetness. So in this way you can add these suffixes to form an abstract nouns. So my dear children, go through the chapter, read it, write it, as well as I'll give you some worksheet. You have to solve it in your notebook. Thank you. Have a great day.